Hello everyone, Mudcat here. I'm going to show my Alumacycle mount on my Pan America. It's what I mount my Zumo XT on. I looked at the Alumacycle and I looked at the Touratech mount, and I decided to go with the Alumacycle. One, made in USA. That means something to me. It may not to you, but if I have a choice, I always try to buy the made in USA items. So that's important to me. May not be to you, and that's cool, but that's just the way I like to do it. Sometimes we don't have a choice, but this time we do, and I actually think it's a better mount. What I like about the Alumacycle mount is it's a flat, and it has I believe it's called the Acme mount spacing, these 4 screws, and where you mount the mount for the Zumo. It's really nice. It's low profile, very easy to put on. They have a video on their website. You can check it out, but I really like it. Okay, you can see it right there. It's very low profile. When you put the Garmin on there, the Zumo, it just snaps on. See how low profile it is? Yeah, I got a rooster. So so about 3/4 of an inch out. I wish the screws were black, but they're not. Works really well, really well. Another hint for you guys running the Moscow Moto bags, tank bag, the Nomax or the Nomad. I run the Nomad. I bought it used. So what I like to do is just take these 2 buckles and snap them together right there, and that keeps them out of the steering damper and out of the way. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Alumacycle War Eagle mount. Check them out, see what you think. If you like it, buy it. I'm really happy with it. Really happy with the way it mounts. There's no vibration at all in that. I don't care how rough the road is. There's no vibration at all. Even that short mount, the ball mount, it's going to have vibration in it. I've tried it on these right here, the perch mounts, and you always have some vibration. That there does not have any vibration. So that's it. Thanks for watching. You want to share, subscribe, all that happy stuff, I would appreciate it. Mudcat's out. Thank you.